Today we're going to check out Happy Zoe Vegan Bakery, a 100% vegan bakery in New York City. They have gluten-free options, raw options, donuts, smoothies, cakes, sandwiches, raw whips. So I started off with a piece of chocolate cake. I'm not sure what particular flavor this was, but I know it was a chocolate cake, and boy, this thing was amazing. As you can see, it's put together very well. The thing is beautiful, and oh, the taste and the flavor and the chocolatiness. You know what I mean? You expecting a vegan cake or something, you know what I mean? You expect something else, but that is incredible. And the raw vegan banana whip. Boy, I've been looking at this on Instagram for so long, and now actually trying it. Ooh. Man, next time I come back to New York, I'm definitely grabbing another raw vegan whip, because that thing was incredible, man. Shout out to Happy Zoe Vegan Bakery. It's a great place if you're in New York and you haven't tried it. You need to try it. And if you have tried it, you already know what's going on, and it's amazing. I'm the Vegan Fooder, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.